Hello, welcome back to INCG Max. So some logical question is given now. So today we are going to see this logical question. The number 270001 have exactly 4 prime factors. Find them. So here, as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 600 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So here, first of all, how to solve this? Given 27000001, this can be written as 27 into 10 to the power of 6 plus 1 now. So here you have to write the factors, prime factors of these. Exactly 4 prime factors are there. So here let us take x is equal to 10. Let x is equal to 10 now. So if you take x is equal to 10, so here you'll get 27 x to the power of 6 plus 1 now. This can be written as 3x square whole cube plus 1. So this can be written as, here the formula are using a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now what will get the value here? 3x square plus 1 into, here a square means 9x to the power of 4 minus ab means 3x square plus 1. Now again further it can be written as 3x square plus 1 into, here 3x square plus 1 whole square minus 9x square. So here we are writing as product a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So here what will get 3x square plus 1 into, this can be written as 3x square plus 1 whole square minus 3x whole square. Now here you can write it as 3x square plus 1 into 3x square plus 3x plus 1 into 3x square minus 3x plus 1. Product of two factors. So here if you substitute the value 300 plus 1, so here you'll get 300 plus 30 plus 1. Here you'll get 300 minus 30 plus 1. So here you'll get 301 into 331 into 271. So 301 is not a prime number. It can be written as 7 into 43 plus 271, sorry, into 271 into 331, where each factor is a prime. Each factor is a prime. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad.